How to transfer money from Capital One credit card to bank account. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to transfer money from your Capital One credit card to your bank account. So whether you're looking to cover an emergency or pay off other bills, I'll guide you through the process. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that transferring money from a credit card is considered a cash advance. So this usually comes with higher fees and interest rates compared to regular transactions. So make sure to check your credit card's terms and conditions before proceeding. Head over to CapitalOne.com and open the Capital One mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials, and this will give you access to your credit card and transfer options. Once logged in, navigate to your credit card account. Look for an option related to cash advances or balance transfers. If available, you'll be able to transfer cash directly from your credit card to your bank account. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you need to enter your bank account details such as your routing number and account number. Make sure to double check the information to avoid any mistakes. Now, enter the amount of money you want to transfer from your Capital One credit card to your bank account. Keep in mind that cash advances usually have a limit, so you can't transfer your entire credit limit. Once entered, confirm the details and submit the transfer request. Once you've submitted the request, it can take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to show up in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. And that's how you transfer money from a Capital One credit card to a bank account. Remember to be mindful of the fees and interest rates involved. If this video is helpful, hit the like button and thanks for watching.